Hey guys, how to use webflow. So first of all, open up the website, sign up with a new account. Webflow. Okay, sign up with a new account, and after login, click on new project and then start a new website. Choose a template that suits your needs or start with a blank canvas, and then drag and drop interface to add elements like text, images, buttons, and forms to your website. Adjust the styles of your elements, font, colors, sizes using the right hand style panel. You can use interactions to panel to add animations and interactions to your elements, and you can replace placeholder content with your own text, images, and other media. And if you need dynamic content, create a CMS collection like blogs or portfolios to manage content easily. You can review and publish it. And then if you want a custom domain, just follow Webflow's instructions to connect your domain through the hosting settings. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.